Qualify? Psh, I never heard of qualifying.
And Charles is on point.
I
What
was
is-
Oh god.
What is a qualify?
Hey
Never
guys,
third in gear.
I was hanging like Robin Williams.
Dude! Evil fucking cunt.
I think it's hilarious.
You know what's hilarious?
Robin
User
Williams dead.
disconnected from your channel.
No.
You got
Tony
entered the
Stewart
channel.
just hit that guy.
That's terrible.
Why does
User,
the weird humanity have a
join
sick sense of fucking
Your
humor?
channel.
How about that spelling?
Tony Stewart's flipping. He's dying. He's doing the opposite of what he did this summer at a sprint car race.
Potato
Oh,
chip salad. That sounds so nasty.
Half a dead child.
Me and Steven starting side by side.
Yeah, engines! Gentlemen, start your engines!
Cinnamon.
Me and Steven starting side by side. This is gonna be
Charles Jackson is first.
Ow. How's a bubba like him getting lead?
by
Here,
random qual.
Hello here, Bubba. It's all good from here. I think me and Zach might do well here. Whether we don't fucking go.
Oh my god, can you guys stop plowing me?
Stop!
Okay, everyone just brake checked.
Stop!
Restart.
No, I was going pace speed and I got plowed.
T bumped into me.
How can you not pace?
Because no one can understand how the safety car works.
Pace car.
Doesn't matter. It's all about safety in racing.
T plowed me. Alright, so he's saying it was somebody behind him. T plowed it.
Oh, no.
T.
T-Pain.
T plow, T pain. I'm in so much T
If
pain.
2 times 2 is 4, then isn't 4 times 10 21?
No, no, no. 2 plus 2 is Christmas tree.
Okay, makes more sense. Okay. Okay. I'm beginning to
Then what is
understand. a little
then
bit.
what is Christmas tree plus Christmas tree equal?
A Christmas tree plus a Christmas tree equals a Christmas tree. Then what is the real meaning of Christmas?
No, no, no. It means you have too many goddamn Christmas trees.
Yellow flag is out, guys. Pace speed is 0. Pace speed is 0. Oh, pace speed
Can
is
we
0.
not-
Apparently
can
we
we
can't run
not?
pace speed.
Pace speed's -5.
Pace speed is in reverse, guys, so we have to stop and shift down.
Come
So
on.
sorry, but not really.
Kinda sorry.
LOL.
My sublime car.
Here comes the death. It's a turn.
Yeah, here
1,
comes the
2.
turn of fucking it up.
No, that's Fortin.
No, that's the turn of death. I said the turn of
I
fucking up.
got you, Zach. 1 second. In a
Shit,
bit
no.
of a precarious spot right now.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Charles checked out
Zach,
before
just
the
pass me,
line.
just pass
Got
me.
Thank you, Seth.
Oh god.
Thanks, Pollard.
Thank you, based Pollard.
I warped it. I blinked at the best time.
Oh god, Mr. Norm, what are you doing?
Dude, I have no luck, dude. I keep getting wrecked out every race.
Welcome to the record series.
No, I'm just saying, like, it's not fun to
Go
me.
NASCAR fast.
It's not fun to me either.
Ooh, NASCAR.
NASCAR.
Breaking news! Someone's going NASCAR fast.
Breaking news, someone just stole the pace car.
Breaking news! NASCAR.
What was it,
cars
Talladega
go fast.
18.8?
That's grand larceny. He's taking the pace car.
Oh, did we just start?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, I missed it by one
Well,
lap.
the pace
Swag.
car, we understand has been stolen.
Was it actually just bouncing
Oh,
around the track right
man.
now? No, it's not. Pit road's wonky.
Just like your mom.
Oh, good one. Where did you
That
get
was
that? The
such a
stupid
delayed
joke store?
laugh.
Where'd you
And
get that?
whoa,
The
caller.
stupid joke store?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so great.
I never said I was.
I have to laugh sometimes in case sometimes I jump or flip
Oh my
over.
gosh,
Oh,
this track is weird.
Guys, a
darn
little.
catch fence.
No,
Oh, for
normal.
God's
Check
sake,
this out.
really? 2 minutes towing?
This
Going
track is dead.
upside down, over and on to Scott Riggs.
Does anyone
the
know how to
big one.
work the towing in this? Like, really
boy, who's
fucking
that
low
still
it, like, I don't know, 10
You
seconds?
No, you
There's
can't.
no way you can. It all depends on how big the track
I'm-
itself is.
Second
Oh my
Really?
god,
last.
there was a blimp,
No.
not far.
Towing depends on track
This
size
track
and where you
isn't that
get towed.
long.
Closer to the
Usually-
pits you are, the lower the towing time
It's
is.
long.
Oh my god,
Oh, was that
Zach,
Linden?
did you just
That was
Zach, did
Linden,
you
yep.
seriously
Can I get a
crash?
laugh
God
back
damn
at
it.
least?
No,
I remember
that's
getting
bleeding.
I would
towed
know.
in,
I had a
like,
10-minute towing on my open roads
in
track.
Bristol, took
Oh
90
my
seconds
goodness.
to finish
Oh,
the
Chris.
fucker.
Yeah, I can believe
It's-
that, Lyndon.
Chris,
It's
you're
the-
so lucky I didn't get
Lyndon, how old are you?
20?
Oh, okay.
one.
21. When are you turning 21?
May.
Oh, alright.
Wait,
21.
I think Seth is the oldest one here.
Chris the
Pollard, how old are
dishwasher.
you?
I got a feeling Mr.
I'm
Norm's gonna
21
wreck
next
you.
month.
Oh, sweet.
I'm 15.
No!
Joey just turned 15.
Oh my god, I'm secretly
He's no
cheating the
longer
towing.
5.
Yeah, no longer 5. I'm 6.
Oh, Buchanan, you suck dick.
Zach,
I
I'm
didn't do
6.
anything to you. I never touched you. I turned 17 in
Oh
January.
crap.
Oh shoot!
Oh crap.
That was a
Oh
party
no!
plan.
Don't kill me!
Well,
Don't
play
kill
it.
me!
No, Seth, I'm sorry. I was in the catch fence also.
Yeah, I really
Alright,
messed that
Tucker
up.
Wilson. I think Dunn just wrecked.
Hey, they're talking about Tucker Wilson. I'm just kidding. No,
Oh, done wreck. Yeah!
I have a moment in a second.
Dylan, are you actually gonna race?
No,
okay.
we're in race.
Yeah, this is a race so far.
Oh lord, sorry,
Well,
Joey.
Plant and Dawn.
What the heck? I'm doing a wheelie. This is
Help
stupid.
me! Help me! You all suck.
Somebody help me! I have a flat tire.
I was 6th.
Oh, I got
I got DQ. Congratulations. Would you like a certificate to go with that to make it official?
Congratulations, you won.
JK. Tire wear is bad. You might blow a tire before you have to actually quit.
Alright. No, it's not that bad for me.
Me
I mean,
either.
I've only ran like 3 laps, but
Alright, I'm being towed. Time to look on Reddit.
Oh.
but now we push. Who's leading?
Me,
LaPlante.
but
LaPlante?
40
Okay, then I'm
is
watching
about-
the right person.
The 40 is gonna wreck me or
I'm watching the right person then, for like the leader.
Oh
someone's
god, it
gonna have
looks like they're
LePage.
lifting up my cart with the fuel gauge. With the fuel thing.
Oh, they hit hard. Oh wow, LaPlante survived. Mr. Normal's wrecked him.
Joey, your car's floating.
This is a
in the
situation.
air.
Let's say hi.
It is? What?
Yeah,
I don't like this so
interesting
much.
turn.
Oh shit!
Oh, that's weird.
How did I not hit you?
Because I gave you
This
lots
is
of
dumb.
room purposely.
Oh, it's a weird illusion,
welcome.
Zach. It's an illusion. It's an illusion.
You're
I
welcome,
see.
LaPlante.
Oh yeah.
I'm
You
scooting
should have wrecked
forward.
this
Mandatory
40
minutes.
car.
I'm scooting
If I
forward.
tried doing that, I probably would have taken you out in the process. So
Oh,
Guys, I'm scooting forward a little bit. I don't think I'm even in my pit stall anymore.
oh god, get off the racetrack!
Get off your mom's racetrack.
So, how did I not hit Pollard? That was him.
Ooh, wreck 'em, Ralph.
Who kill him?
Oh
I'm
shit!
scooting down. Just
Oh,
as I
God.
came back to my car, I shouldn't have came back to my car.
holy cow, I
I
split
was
the
doing
gap.
just fine until I
Hitting this lap,
looked at
hitting
my car.
this lap.
Oh, Steph, clear my back. Clear my back.
Hey,
Clear my back. No!
I didn't
Damn
mean
it.
to intentionally wreck
Did you
the
back
car,
up again?
But I felt like I
I
got
missed my pit
squeezed a little.
stall.
Yeah.
This
if,
is the
if you
dumbest
do
way to
that,
pit.
you
Okay,
have to
I'm
go back
scooting
around.
out of
You
my pit
cannot back
stall.
up.
Like, well, I'll take
I-
tires.
Because even if I hit clear black, it
Yeah.
wouldn't clear it.
Bye.
Oh, it doesn't
Right,
look like I'm
you need to sort out the disqualification in this.
It does that in
actually
any
changing
server,
my other
Josh. Any
tires.
server will do that.
What's the point in
Oh, no, no,
having
no, 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 no.
flags when clearly they're gonna give you a fucking
Death.
flag?
I'm just kidding.
What's the point? Taking the shit without
This would look good on
dropping
a
your
Michigan
pants.
track, like the
You
actual
still have to pay
Michigan
for the dry
track.
cleaning.
Sounds like something someone I know did. Steven? Steven, didn't you like change the MIPS with this one
Also, I
with like
think
the
you need
actual
to. I
Michigan?
think there's something
So
wrong
it
with the
looks like
pits. You need to
Michigan and then this.
win
Yeah.
now.
So I thought.
I'm still 9th though.
Wow, how did I actually make it to pit road?
Yeah,
I
I'm
surprised
16th.
myself.
I'm 16, like a ton of laps down.
Well, right now I am 2 laps down.
Oh, Don.
Who's that in
Don's
front of me?
wrecked.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh,
Save it! Oh my gosh, I can't save this so much. Oh my gosh, I couldn't save that. I was like, I wrecked like, and I'm getting towed again. Hit me, Pollard. Hit me, Zach. Next person that comes by, hit the car on the apron. Lyndon or Bob.
No.
No.
Free chance. Dang it. Screw you guys.
Hitting this lap.
Ah!
Lyndon. You're aware this is for position, right? Pollard, you suck dick.
Oh. Burn.
Wasn't really a
Okay,
burn.
good job. I was gonna let you by.
Did Pollard wreck you?
No.
No, I think that was
it-
Tucker
it was-
Wilson.
Yeah, it was.
Lyndon,
Well
you're
Oh my
aware
God.
this is for
How in the
position.
hell do you
Well
get off the
done.
road with this?
You gotta slow down really early.
8:37, you're
Leclerc.
getting
Okay,
wrecked next
okay,
race.
I'm gonna jinx this a little.
Get strapped, mate.
Fall.
How many
Oh,
races?
wow.
Seth, how many races left now?
After this one, 3.
We're playing.
But I can tell you the
Purposely tried to tow.
837's not gonna finish next race.
Dude, Mr. Norm, come on, why'd you have to pass me?
The
That's
plan.
a
You
3-car
purposely
battle.
towed yourself. That was your bright idea.
Hey, I was knocking back around because I'm running a fuel, and I'm only
Well,
taking right side tires as well.
What tracks are left?
Chicago, California, Daytona.
Chicago?
Yep.
I should be good
Wait.
at Chicago because I've
Wait, what tracks
been
are
getting
left?
top
Who's
5 runs there
Sanford?
recently.
I
Oh
heard
my goodness, he's
Chicago.
here.
I heard Chicago
Buddy
and
was
then
meant
2
to
other
your
things.
channel.
I forgot.
Hey, Sanford.
Hey.
What are the
Yeah.
tracks?
Hey,
Oh,
you're able to
we're in
race.
the-
You're able to race 3 more. We got 3 more coming up that you can race with us.
What are the
Pollard
tracks?
told me, yeah.
Did you move Oko yet, Seth?
No.
He's not even here.
Oh wait.
Don't wreck me. Just get me out of pit road.
I don't know if you have them. Probably you do, Sanford. It's gonna be Chicago, in-game, California in-game, and Daytona night in-game for the final 3.
I haven't gotten rid of any in-game tracks.
Good, you're not a
How about
retard.
no?
Wait,
How did
so they're
Dunn
all
get the
in game, the rest of them?
I have to remember
Wreck
Yeah.
Dun
that.
and Dawn.
Yeah, guys, wreck done.
Wreck Dun and Dawn.
Well, if Don wins,
Done,
if
Don.
Don wins, it goes to the person who finished second. So you know, it doesn't really matter.
Pollard is like behind him, so they have a chance.
Oh my goodness! I just flipped coming back on the. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me? I missed pit road.
Oh, I tried. Pollard, do it.
Oh,
Wreck him. Rack him.
no.
Wreck him hard. Steven, I dare you to wreck him.
Oh, goodbye.
Now
points
it's
in this
time
one.
to try to finish this race with a blown tire.
I think
A
Dunn still has
baloney
a
Yep,
tire?
pit.
837 is definitely getting
I'm
wrecked
pretty
this
sure
race.
Dunn still has a
Wait,
pit.
Bob, did you just say a baloney tire?
No, I said
Baloney.
blown. Baloney.
Dude, I could jump for a baloney
Done.
sandwich
You
right now.
must have to pit again. I mean, that's impossible.
Done,
Unless you
Gwen.
already did.
Dun
Or else
got
I'm
hit.
fucked now.
I think
Hey,
he's clutching.
Buchanan, screw you.
I mean, you won
We were
many races.
sitting in
You
the
can sit out
wall.
the rest of the thing, you idiot.
I mean, you just shoved me into the wall.
You were already in the wall.
I
Really
know.
irrelevant. Really done.
I know, I'm just trying to get pissed off at anything right now. Please tell me I just passed. Oh,
I gotta milk it on home. My tire's in the
keeps
red
hitting
and
the
I'm not
wall.
pitting.
Oh, is that's the beauty of finals week. You get out early.
There you go.
Wow, no one's gonna wreck
Oh,
me.
nice, Sanford. You
I
on
think Don's
Christmas
gonna make
break now?
outfield too.
2 laps to go.
It's too bad
Somebody
we're not,
push me
Yeah.
over.
it's too bad
Somebody
we're not
push me
going
over.
And I
live,
get to
though.
turn 21 tomorrow, so it just keeps getting better and better.
Oh, so you're
Wow.
gonna drink, dude. You're gonna turn up. Nice.
Now, was that move really worth it?
Uh-oh, he's gonna get taken out. Oh my goodness!
Oh, a Jew's gonna get slaughtered. A Jew is gonna get slaughtered.
Don's in the lead.
Don
Don
is
is in the
wrecked.
lead. Don is leading.
I think I just blew my engine on pit road.
Don is taking the white flag.
God
Go,
damn
Zach.
it.
Oh, I blew a tire.
Go, Washer.
Everyone wrecked Don. Or Dawn.
No, don't
Don
wreck
and
the
Dawn.
40. If you wreck the 40, I mean, it doesn't matter if he wins. It's whoever gets second gets the win for this race.
Just wreck the 40 anyways. Do it.
So Don is winning.
I'm in the wall and I don't care. I'm gonna get passed by LaPlante.
Ah!
No, never mind. He wrecked. Oh, Don wrecked.
His engine's dead. His engine's dead.
Oh,
Don's out again. Don is out again. Never
And
mind.
the flag crosses the line.
bless you.
I already
It's
crossed the
under
line.
I
This-
Ebola over my mic.
I almost
Make
got
the
him.
turn for home now. Scott Goodyear closes in.
Oh God. Oh shoot. And I
They come to
landed
the
it.
line. Scott Goodyear tries it, but no. I believe that's the closest finish in Indy history. Closer than when Gordon
What track
John
is
got
next?
beat
Chicago
with
lane?
me.
Mm-hmm.
I almost got him. It
Hey,
was close.
Seth, would you mind clearing my black flag? It's going to be black flag.
Hey, Seth.
Yeah, no damage.
Steph,
Well, it's too late. It's just become
do
official.
you have the
anyway.
points?
Oh,
You have
hey,
the points?
Not right now.
Good job
Oh.
to Don for
Hey,
for
hey,
making the chase.
Dylan.
Good
Dylan,
job to Don 420.
how'd the race go in tunnel? Who won?